Okay, round of applause. Okay, boys and girls of DDA, it's the momentous occasion we get together on a Sunday morning, very pleasant day, to welcome Group Captain C.K. Karthik, retired sir, from Mysore, recently retired from Air Force Services Selection Board, with a very enriched experience and 32 years of service, and flawless track record, enriched experience in various appointments, some of them very critical, Chief Operation Officer of bases at Calcutta and Bangalore, and multiple places in Northeast and J&K and Northern Borders. Now, he, as a guest faculty, brings a lot of experience for you guys to gain from and to add on to small gaps that you may have in your learning curve. And along with Group Captain C.K. Karthik sir, we also welcome Group Captain A.K. sir. And coincidentally, they were also placed at the same board, the Services Selection Board, as a psychologist. So one round of applause for Group Captain A.K. sir. As part of the ceremony, I would request Director DDA and Group Captain C.K. Karthik sir to come so that they can offer a bouquet to formally welcome him. Now I hand over the podium to DDA Director sir to say a few words.
One more.
Yeah, sorry, one more welcome. Just slipped my mind, A.K. sir.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.